Today's video I'm going to show you how to use your home credit account to cash in on Shopee. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Shopee app and go straight to the Me section at the bottom. Tap cash in, then choose your preferred method, payment center or e-wallet. From the list of options, select Easy Pay. Now enter the amount you want to cash in and then tap Pay Now. Shopee will show you a reference number. Make sure to copy it or write it down because you will need it in the next step. Next, open the Home Credit app on your phone. Tap Pay Bills and from the categories, choose E-commerce, then look for Shopee. Fill in the required details, include the reference number you got from Shopee, and once everything is done, continue and enter your PIN to complete the payment. After confirming, your payment will proceed and your Shopee balance should update shortly. And that's it. That's how you use home credit to cash in on Shopee. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.